Okay, so here is a little walkthrough of how to submit homework using your cell phone. So I'm using an iPhone, so if you don't have an iPhone, it might look a little bit different. But you want to make sure that you're in the Google Classroom app. So if you don't have that, make sure you have it downloaded. Click into your classroom, and you want to go to that center button of classwork here. From there, you can just grab a homework assignment. So I'm just going to pick that one. And you can see found here, you have the link to the actual document itself. And if you want to use, again, this is just using your cell phone to do this, you want to hit this little arrow down here at the bottom to swipe up. And then you can see there's another add work button, the little plus sign, and that's what you're going to hit. You're going to hit add work. And then you're going to select camera. And I like to do the scan pages just because it looks nicer. It takes like a nice real scanned copy. But if you want to hit the take photo button, you can absolutely do that too. But I'm going to hit scanned pages. And I actually have it enabled so it automatically scans it once it's ready. So you can see I have a little sample homework there and it automatically scanned that for me. And then I'm going to save it. And as it loads here, you'll see it's going to load as a separate attachment. And I'm able to see that on my end. It loads as a separate attachment. If you wanted to click on it to see it, you can. But from there, you just want to make sure that you hit the turn in button right down here at the bottom. Turn in. And you're good to go. So that's how you can turn it in using your cell phone.